Hello everyone, very good morning. How are you? Today we are going to start Indian economy. First of all, congratulations for accomplishing the Indian polity. We haven't covered the Indian polity thoroughly, but roughly we have covered the Indian polity, or you can say major portion of the Indian polity has been covered. At least now you can understand the current affairs and you can relate them with your Indian polity section. I'm going to start with Indian economy, because Indian economy and polity, these two subjects are very important for understanding the current affairs. Until unless you understand the current affairs and the issues that we are facing right now in Indian economy in our society, then only you will be able to write the answers and you will be able to start your answer writing as soon as possible. Therefore, from today, I will assign you targets for Indian economy. Another thing, a good news for those who are preparing for 2021. In next 2 days, maybe from tomorrow, you will be getting videos on CSAT, in which I will explain you the topic wise concepts and I will solve some questions that will help you to crack the paper very easily. Now let's check what we are going to cover in first 1 week of Indian economy. We are going to cover national income, inflation and employment, banking and monetary policy, and financial markets. Let's take a look on the approach. On day 1, we are going to cover national income accounting. See, many of the books are directly focusing on national income accounting. But before you start reading national income, like GDP, GNP, and other tools to calculate the national income, I will recommend you to follow these steps. First of all, try to know the factors of production and try to answer this. What is an output? After that, you can read what is national income, what are the tools to calculate the national income, and then you can also understand the difference between the tools, that is GDP, GNP, NDP, and NNP. Those who are working aspirants, we have another 2 days to finish the polity. Today, you have to cover CVC, CBI, Lokayukt and Lokpals, NIA, and NDMA. Those who are preparing for 2021, let's start Indian economy today. And today we are going to cover the dynamic part, because in prelims most of the questions are from these topics. So the topics that we are going to cover today: national income, inflation, banking and monetary policy, budgeting, fiscal policy, money and capital market. In science and tech, we have already covered June to November, December of current affairs yesterday. Today you can cover December to June of your current affairs. So this is your target for day number 5. Another thing, those who are preparing for 2022, you will face a lot of difficulties in understanding economy, especially the national income part. So you are welcome to our Telegram group. If you haven't joined it yet, you can join it. Those who are not able to follow the streak for polity, join the Telegram. I will provide you the day-to-day target there as well. Plus, I will also provide you the PDF of the first test. The link for the Telegram group is in the description box. You can click there and you can join our official Telegram channel. This is all for today, guys. All the best, and again congratulations for accomplishing the polity. Now we are going to finish the economy as soon as possible.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.